September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello, hello, hello. Chella Creates here. I just finished working on this month's journaling kit and I'm super excited, so I had to do a video because this might be my favorite kit. Do I say that every month? I might say that every month, but I really think this might be my favorite kit. I've been getting a lot of love for some black and white stickers that I posted in the shop recently, and so I decided that it would be super awesome to have the journaling kit be black and white themed this month, because it seems that everyone's kind of loving that black and white theme. So let's just dig right in. Let me show you what you ladies will be getting with this month's journaling kit. And if you haven't subscribed to the journaling kit, have no fear. You can subscribe now. All you have to do is visit www.chellacreates.com and purchase a journaling kit. Once you purchase a journaling kit, your subscription starts. And what happens is you'll get a monthly invoice from PayPal, and you have the option to either pay that invoice to receive your monthly kit, or you can cancel the invoice if you don't want to receive a kit that month. So every month you have the option to either opt out or receive a kit automatically. So it's really easy, and I just hope you ladies sign up. So if you haven't signed up yet, have no fear, you can. It's not too late. I'll be working on shipping orders this week, so make sure you let me know if you want to become a member or just purchase a kit. So here are the quotes that you're going to receive. Every month you'll get some journaling quotes, which this one is different, doesn't mean wrong. Pray more, worry less. Don't look back, you're going the wrong way. Don't look back, you're not going that way. Hello, Chella, get it together. Live your life. You matter the most. Think outside the box. Don't quit your daydream. Good things take time. Aim higher, dream bigger. Make today amazing. Be stronger than your excuses. So those are your quotes you're going to receive with this month's kit. And the other thing you'll receive with this month's kits are these super cute dolls. I am so excited about these dolls. So the theme for this month is sunflowers. So you have your sunflower girls with their sunflowers in their hair. Then you have this sister who's praying. And then you just have this lock girl who's focused, meditating, I guess you can say. But I thought these were super cute images. And you're also going to get a mini sticker sheet with some of the images. You will also receive, this month's theme is sunflowers again. So you'll receive some sunflowers. Oh, is this one sticking? Yeah. Super cute sunflowers. And of course, you know, I will be using these in my journal today so that you guys can get a sample of how it will lay in your journal. You're also going to receive some journaling prompts, which this theme is Make Today Amazing. And so your prompts are going to be something that made you smile today, favorite thing about this season, an act of kindness someone showed you, something that makes your life easier, a favorite place to visit, someone that inspires you, something you enjoy daily, something you wear that makes you feel good, your favorite comfort food, your favorite song lyrics, and technology you can't live without. So basically what you're going to do is with each one of these prompts you're going to write. And you can do this daily. You can do one a day, or you can just sit down one day and do as many as you want. There's really no rules or regulations around it. This is just to inspire you to journal. So even if you pick one and journal it, I will be a happy camper. This is just prompts to help you journal, and feel free to change them around if you want. Like technology you can't live without can also be something you can't live without. It doesn't necessarily have to be technology. I kind of like the idea of writing about technology because I think it's one of those things that we take for granted. Like my TV, my smart TV, hello, that I can YouTube and I can watch Netflix and I can watch Hulu. I almost want to say that's my favorite thing. But then when I think about it, it has to be your cell phone. I know a lot of people are going to say their cell phone because, that's how we communicate with the world and keep in touch with our family and our children. And it's so convenient that we can now walk all over the world and talk on the phone. I remember days when we had to sit in the house and there was a cord. Yep, I'm showing my age. So that I thought that would really inspire someone to journal. And that's probably what I would journal about, the fact that cell phones and how far they've come. And we need to appreciate technology. Okay, now I lost track. I'm talking too much. And you also get a die cut, laminated die cut to use as a page marker. And your mini sheets. I think I went through the mini sheets already. So that's it, girls. That's everything you're going to get. Let's go through it one more time. Laminated die cut, mini sticker sheets, sunflower die cut stickers, doll stickers, laminated journaling card, and some quotes, positive quotes. All right, ladies, so I hope that you guys are enjoying your journaling kit. For all my members who are already signed up, thank you for your support, and I hope this journaling kit is inspiring you ladies to journal more. I do have a few people that I've spoken to that said that they actually are journaling more that now that they have the journaling kit coming every month because it's just so much fun to decorate your journaling pages, and then it's fun to write around the stickers and make it creative and cute. So yes, I just want to thank all you ladies who are already subscribed, and those who are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe this month. I think this is probably my favorite kit. Love, love, love it. Oh, and the price, $15. And that includes shipping. So it's $15 for all these goodies, including shipping, ladies. You cannot beat that. Okay, so yeah. I hope to see you ladies soon. Have a blessed day.